In considering the case of GR number 165389, using a consequentialist framework as a guide to ethical decision-making, the focus is on evaluating the outcomes of various actions to determine the most ethical course. The case involves a dispute between NFD International Manning Agents and AS Volcanos Oslo and the respondents Jose I. Ilagan Jr. and Constantino Co. Jr., who brought their grievance before the National Labor Relations Commissions or NLRC. A consequentialist approach would require an analysis of the potential consequences of each party's actions, particularly regarding the fairness and impact on the stakeholders involved, such as the seafarers, the Manning Agency, and the broader maritime industry. The ethical decision-making process would involve assessing which outcomes maximizes overall well-being and minimizes harms. For instance, if the agency's actions negatively impacted the seafarers' livelihoods and well-being, a decision favoring the respondents might be ethically justified under this framework. Conversely, if the decision against the agency resulted in significant negative consequences for the industry or other employees, this would weigh heavily in the analysis. Ultimately, a consequentialist would argue for a resolution that promotes the greatest net positive outcome for all affected parties.